Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to locate your PayPal account identification. It's important to know that your PayPal ID can be different depending on the type of account you have. For personal accounts, your primary identifier is simply the email address you use to log in. This is what you'll share with others to receive payments. Let's dive into finding these important details. If you operate a business account, you'll be looking for your unique merchant ID. First, log in to your PayPal business account. Then, find and click on Account Settings or Profile and Settings in the top right corner. From there, select Business Information located under the Business Profile section. You will then see your distinct 13-character merchant ID clearly displayed on that page. With your printer connected to Wi-Fi, it's time to add it to your desktop. On your computer, open the Settings menu, then navigate to Bluetooth and Devices and select Printers and Scanners. Click the Add a Printer or Scanner button. Your computer will search for available devices on your network. Once your printer appears, select it and click Add Device. Windows will typically install the required drivers automatically, making the process smooth. To quickly recap, for personal PayPal accounts, your email address is your primary identifier. For business accounts, you'll find a specific 13-character merchant ID within your account settings. Remember, it's always important to keep your account details secure and to verify any information before sharing it. Knowing where to find these ID helps ensure smooth and secure transactions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.